Hello and greetings from English with Hassan, and welcome to another video of fluency. In the first video, we have discussed fluency, which is not speaking English faster, but expression of thoughts and ideas articulately without taking long pauses. One thing to remember is accurately and avoiding long breaks in speaking. So, today we will cover syllable. What is a syllable? Well, syllable is a unit of pronunciation, having one vowel sound, with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole or a part of a word. For example, there are two syllables in water. Vowels or a, e, I, o, u are speech sounds. A speech sound produced by humans when the breath flows out through the mouth without being blocked by the teeth, tongue, or lips. Consonants are pronounced by stopping the air from flowing easily through the mouth, especially by closing the lips or touching the teeth with the tongue. A speech sound produced by human beings when the breath that flows out through the mouth is blocked by the teeth, tongue, or lips. In the end, let us summarize what we have covered in this video. Syllable is a unit of pronunciation, having one vowel sound, with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole or a part of a word.